Hi, Mark T the Handyman. Today we're going to fix a toilet seat that's gotten loose. For the most part, toilet seat attachments are designed the same. In this case, we have an actual stainless steel nut, bolt, and washer. In many cases, they will be plastic. As it sometimes happens, this toilet seat has become loose. Luckily, this is a simple fix. First, we are going to flip back the two bolt covers on the toilet seat. The tools we are using will be a Phillips head screwdriver and a 3/8 deep well socket. Once we get the deep well socket wrench on the bottom nut, we just tighten up the nut. I'm using the Phillips head screwdriver only to hold the bolt on the top. All the work is being done underneath. Now we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. So now I'm going to give you a view of what it looked like underneath the toilet while we were tightening the nut. Well, our toilet seat's not moving now. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up or a like. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.